Over the next 10 years, the world will undoubtedly see many changes. With that, new investments will come into play. However, this is the advice of two of the greatest investors of our time, Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger. They have been in the investing game for decades, and they certainly know a thing or two about where to put your money. Investing's Dream Team, Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger unveiled. Let's step away from the noisy world of finance and enter the arena of myths. Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger. They're the leaders of Berkshire Hathaway, a big company with different businesses. Warren Buffett is known as the Oracle of Omaha, and Charlie Munger is a wise investor. They've significantly influenced how people approach investing their money. But what's their secret? It's not solely about amassing wealth. It's about gaining an understanding of the investment world. Warren Buffett takes his time, follows a clear path, and sticks to smart money rules. One of their main lessons is keeping things simple. Instead of spreading your funds across numerous choices, they recommend focusing on a handful of exceptional opportunities. Imagine yourself in a room with Buffett absorbing their priceless wisdom on investment, quality over quantity. And remember, investing isn't just about winning, it's about protecting what you have. Buffett's "don't lose" advice reminds us to be careful and not to take unnecessary risks. Their wisdom goes beyond just money. They believe in responsible money management and giving back to society. Their journey can inspire anyone who wants to invest wisely. In the complicated domain of finance, the wisdom of Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger stands out. Their guidance shines brightly. It's like a light showing you how to achieve long-term prosperity and financial security. They lead to a path that transcends beyond the temptation of fast wealth, providing a roadmap for long-lasting prosperity and financial security. As you begin your investment journey, remember the profound advice of these financial giants. They've left a lasting legacy that still influences the world of finance today. Your financial time machine, long-term investing and its benefits. We're stepping away from the quick money tricks and thinking about investing as if it's planting flowers. Each flower is like a business that can grow over time. Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger, the people we look up to, say that thinking about the short term is like playing a game of chance. In a world of unpredictable markets and tempting short-term gains, they are here to show us the way to long-term success with thinking in decades. Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger, our esteemed mentors, emphasize that short-term thinking resembles gambling. Do you know how the stock market can feel like a wild roller coaster? It goes up and down and can make you feel all sorts of emotions. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement. But Buffett and Munger remind us that investing is more like a marathon than a sprint. When you invest today, you're planting seeds for the future. You're not just buying stocks. You're thinking about what those stocks can become in 10 years. It's like being a visionary who sees the company's potential future. So get ready for the long haul and enjoy the ride to lasting financial success. With Buffett and Munger as our guides, we can all be successful investors by thinking in decades, not just minutes. Let's break down the recipe for financial triumph by unveiling practical guidelines that will help you nurture that all-important long-term mindset. 1. Understanding the business. Envisage this as the first step on our path to success. We're diving deep into the business. Here's the golden rule. Only invest in stocks you'd be willing to hold on to for a decade or more. It's like a commitment to a long-lasting relationship with your investments. 2. Seeking out companies with a fortress. Now, search for companies with a fortress. What's that, you ask? We're looking for businesses that have something special, like a protective wall around a castle. This thing helps them stay strong and safe from competition. 3. Meeting the leaders. Next, we're seeking leaders who are the real deal. Managers with brains, initiative, and integrity. Trustworthy leaders mean less need for constant oversight. It's like having a captain you can rely on for a smooth voyage. 4. Hunting for deals. Last but not least, let's go deal hunting. Our target? Stocks that are selling below their true worth. Focus on those with steady earnings, healthy cash flow, and manageable debt. It's like finding hidden gems in the treasure chest of the stock market. Here's the recipe for long-term investing. Invest wisely and let your money do the work. As you begin building lasting wealth, know that this path rewards those who stick with it. Tech Talk. Surfing the waves of technological advancement. You might be thinking, Buffett and Munger, tech gurus? It's an intriguing thought, isn't it? But guess what? Curiosity pays off, especially when it comes to tech's next frontier. Buffett understands that technology is a powerful force shaping our world. But here's the twist. He brings his unique insight. He knows that while AI and robots can do a lot, they can't replicate the magic of human creativity and ingenuity. So, what's the deal with AI and robots in Berkshire Hathaway's portfolio? Is the tech revolution knocking at their door? These questions have the investment world and tech enthusiasts buzzing with curiosity. The answers? Well, they might be around the corner. Profit with purpose. The sustainability imperative in business. Ever wonder how some financial wizards consistently outperform the market? Well, the secret is about to be unveiled. The stock market is a vast maze where finding the best investment can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. It's a challenging and sometimes overwhelming journey. But you know what? Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger, our investment maestros, didn't waste time hunting for needles. Nope, they decided to buy the entire haystack. It's a game-changing approach that's a cornerstone of their remarkable success. Think about giants like Microsoft, Amazon, and Apple. They started small and grew into colossal successes over time. These tales showcase the brilliance of Buffett and Munger's strategy. Their secret sauce? Investing in reliably prosperous businesses with a proven history of conquering challenges and enduring. Forget about placing bets on potential winners. It's all about aligning your investments with those that have proven themselves. Investing in startups or young companies? That's akin to a leap into uncertainty, with the odds stacked against you. They're like fragile seedlings susceptible to various risks. Buffett and Munger's wisdom shines here. They didn't go after crazy and risky stuff. Nope, they liked companies that were already doing great. Putting your money in these successful companies is like putting it in a safe place. Why? Because there's a good chance you'll make money. Create a picture like this. You're not racing against quick runners for fast prizes. Instead, it's like being in a marathon with the champs who can keep going and going. While fast runners might have moments, the marathon champs come out on top. So, as we deal with the always changing world of money, let's remember what these experts teach us. It's not about going after quick wins or hoping for luck. Instead, it's about making choices based on a company's history of doing well. Frontier Finance. Why emerging markets deserve your attention. Visualize this. Two giants of the investment world, Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger, are setting their sights on emerging markets. Why? They see them as the next best thing, a promising frontier for substantial growth over the next decade. Countries like China and India are on a thrilling economic journey, experiencing remarkable expansion. And what do Buffett and Munger say? Investing in companies immersed in these dynamic markets can lead to significant returns. But here's the twist. It's not all sunshine and rainbows. Emerging markets are like the hidden gems in the investment landscape, but you need to tread carefully. It is like a seasoned chess player deep in thought, carefully considering their next move on the board. Their approach is marked by strategy, precision, and a deliberate calculation of every possibility. This level of meticulous planning is a valuable addition to your investment toolkit. However, it's essential to exercise caution and avoid impulsive decisions. Just as in chess, where going all in recklessly can lead to defeat. Instead, Take a measured and strategic approach to your investments, just as a chess master contemplates their next brilliant move. A smart move might be allocating around 5% to 10% of your investments. Emerging markets offer an extra layer of diversification, almost like a hidden asset in your investment portfolio. While putting all your chips on emerging markets might not be the best strategy, a moderate allocation can unlock a world of investment opportunities. The world of emerging markets, the BRICS and the CIVETs, is where opportunity and risk dance hand in hand. So you've got your eyes on emerging markets? Great choice. You can dive into this exciting world by opening an investment account, funding it, and handpicking your investments. Think stocks, bonds, ETFs, or mutual funds. It's your investment playground. These markets offer the potential for higher rewards, but they also come with a wild ride of ups and downs. We're talking about increased volatility and the roller coaster of currency values. What's the game plan? Diversify, diversify, diversify. Spread your investments like a pro. And if you're new to this adventure, consider starting with a modest investment. It's like dipping your toes before taking a deep dive. As you navigate these uncharted waters, remember that emerging markets are a world of opportunities and challenges. With a strategic approach and a dash of caution, you can ride the waves of growth and reap its rewards. These financial legends have shown us the path to success in investing, emphasizing the importance of long-term thinking, choosing reliable businesses, and staying resilient in the face of market fluctuations. They've also opened our eyes to emerging markets and their potential. But this is just the beginning. What lies on the horizon? To unlock the coming chapters of your financial odyssey, join our community of savvy investors by subscribing to our channel. And if you found this video to be a wellspring of knowledge, kindly extend your support by giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends and family who share a mutual zeal for financial wisdom. We are eager to hear your voice and engage in profound discussions. Please do not hesitate to leave your comment below, sharing your insights, queries, or personal experiences related to the themes investigated in this video. To explore further finance and investment, tap the link below to watch the upcoming video in our series. Your journey to financial prosperity continues with us.